So this question is group data. So median formula. Group. So median dia dah Q2. Formula dia. So you can refer your notes. Mananya group data. Group data. So what's the formula for median? L plus N over 2 minus F besar over F kecil darab dengan C. So L plus N over 2 minus F besar over F kecil times C. First you have to identify where's your class median first. Class tu berapa di mana? Cuma kumulatifkan dia punya frekuensi. Ini frekuensi F. Longkokkan F tambah 18, betul. Tambah lagi. Longkokkan frekuensi ini tambah lagi 50, tambah lagi 88, tambah lagi 112, tambah lagi 120. So total you have 120 workers. So your median will be occur at N over 2 which is 120 over 2 data ke 60. Data ke 60 kelas dia jatuh di sini. Kelas dia jatuh di sini. Ini 50 tak cukup lagi. Kalau frekuensi 50 tak cukup lagi median. So data dia jatuh di sini. Apakah lower boundary dia sini? 34 and 35. So lower boundary dia 34.5. 34.5 plus N over 2 60. Cumulative frequency F besar dia sebelum bukan dia sebelum 50. So dia tak boleh ambil 88 sebab 60 tolak 88 dan negatif. So automatik kita tahu formula ni masuk dengan salah. So ambil F besar sebelum 50, frekuensi dia sendiri 38. So size of the class, upper boundary 39.5 minus lower boundary, so you get 5. So time with 5. So jawapan dia, do you get this? 35.8. Do you get this? Dapat. Okay, so next. Dah sempat salin ke? Dah. Ambil langkah-langkah dia, nanti kamu tengok balik soalan kamu. You take down the notes, you take down langkah-langkah, nanti kamu tengok balik soalan, kamu salin balik soalan dia. Dah Ambil langkah-langkah dulu, nanti tak sempat. So this one group or ungroup? So ungroup data. When you're having mean is the mean 170. So 9 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So determine the height of the 10 student. So 9, so ada lagi satu tak tahulah, X. So how to get mean? Total up. Formula mean. Formula mean, sum of X over N. So mean 170, total of this. Divide by 10 students. So find out your X. So darab ke atas 1700. So ini tambah berapa? Jumlahkan semua data ni dapat berapa? Jumlahkan semua data dapat berapa? Tolong kirakan. Yeah, how much? 1524. So X can get, you can get the answer 176. Boleh? So that is your last data X ini tak tahu. Okey, teruskan. Sini apa pula? Soalan sama ke? No. 5 for medium pula. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10. When you want to find for medium, so you jangan tengok group data. You kena tengok formula yang ungroup data. So formula for ungroup data, they will be constant on integers or not integers. So nak tengok lokasi dia integers or not integers. First, you have to rearrange first from the smallest to the biggest. Daripada yang paling kecil 158, then 161, then 163, then 170, 166, 170, then 172, 74, then 78, 82, 83. So lokasi dia, location first. Measurement location. So here we have 10. Medium we divide by 2. Location is 5. So this is integer concept. So when you have integer concept, it will be data for that integers, for that location and the next location. Divide by 2. So quadrant 2 or median is a data on position 5 and position 6 divided by 2. So data on position 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Position 6, 172. Divide by 2. Answer 171. Done? Okay, stem and leaf. So look at this stem and leaf already arranged. Already arranged in order. Yes, 3, 3, 6, 1 until 8. So what does it mean? 3 stroke 2, this is the value of 32. Also we understood 1 stroke 6 is 16. So what do you want to find here? Minimum is 16, yes. The smallest value here is 16, yes, correct. Mode, the most occurrence data. Ni, 63, 63, 63. So the mode supposed to be 63. Maximum value, the last data here, 82. So 1 and 3 only. 1 and 3 only segment. Boleh? Okay, so this one group or ungroup? This is ungroup. Ungroup, you can see it without interval. Without interval, you can see 2 only. So 2 sini ada 3 maksudnya. Macam ni. 3 ada 2. 4 ada 2. 6 ada 3. So ungroup data. So what is your standard deviation? Actually this one we can use calculator. Key in the calculator. Straight away we can get the standard deviation. So you still remember how to use calculator now? Ambil statistik. Ambil statistik. So you ambil statistik. Then you choose for one variable, then you key in all the data. Why I key in like this? Saya key in ikut table sini cukup lah. So frequency, shift mode, setup, To find for going down, to find for statistic, to on the frequency table. Dapat. Then we just key in data 2, data 3, data 4, data 6, frequency 3, 2, 2, 3. So then you put AC, you put, I will press shift 1, but you can press your option. Once you press your option, you can get all your standard deviation. So standard deviation bentuk ni, you have to find for F standard deviation. 1.68 1.6865, simple saja. So sepatutnya soalan ni tak patut salah lah. This question tak patut salah pun. This one, what is that? Find mean. Alright, so mean, I also can use calculator. When you have full data with the frequency, we can use calculator. So you just key in again, find your statistic, one variable, and frequency. 35, 36, dapat tak? 40, 43, 45, 48. Dapat tak buka frequency column? Dapat buka frequency column dekat shift mode. Shift mode kamu turunkan, jumpa statistik, tekan on the frequency. Then we just key in on it. But I not think so nanti UPS akan bagi yang siap-siap bervalue. Ni trial dia bagi senang sikit, senang sebenarnya. 38, 23. Alamak, macam key in salah. Oh, key in salah. Okay, then I will go for shift statistic, shift 1. Minimize first, AC first. AC, then shift 1. You go for option, so I will go for mean. They were under shift 1. Under number 4, mean, number 2. So you find for this symbol mean. When you press option, you find for that symbol mean. So this mean give you 40.16. Siap. Soalan ni pun tak sepatutnya salah. Ni apa lagi? Okay, this statement is 2. Is it mode is 31? The highest frequency here is 31. Right? The highest frequency here is 31. What's the formula for mode? Mode for group data. L plus D1 plus D2 times C. So the class happened at 30 until 34, lower boundary 29.5. Difference D1, D2. What's the difference here? Correct? What's your T2 here? 15. So 13 plus 15. What's your size? 34.5 minus 30.5. So 4. So adakah dia 31? Adakah dia 31? Dan pertemu tengahnya, formula salah ke? Apa check formula? Mode Ya, L, D1, D2, C. L, D1, D2, C, yes. Bila kamu tekan ni berapa? 31.36. So mode dia 31 tu tak betul lah. 31 tu frequency dia, bukan tu. Not true. Standard deviation. Oh, the class width is 5. Oh, yes, this is 29.5. So adakah masih lagi 31.36? Okay, ini salah juga. Standard deviation. But actually when you have statement number 1 is wrong, you don't have choices already, leaving option 3. Right? So kita tak payahlah bazir masa nak pergi menyesahkan ini lagi. Betul tak? So kita dah pastikan statement number 1 is not correct. Okay, boleh. Kalau nak buat standard deviation boleh je, tekan calculator lah, masukkan mean, median dia, masukkan midpoint dia. Faham? Boleh je. So teruskan. What is the standard deviation of the set of numbers? So again we can use calculator. Number 3, statistic, 1 variable. So frequency tak perlu, tutup balik out column frequency. Oh. So 5, 2, 3, 8, 6, 7, done. Then AC, so it's 5 for option, standard deviation. Number 4. So 5 for this standard deviation for X. 366. So when we rounding, 66 becomes 7. Dah. Simple. Okay, probability. Logarithm. How many ways to arrange this letter where the vowel is next to each other? Where's the vowel? O, A, then I, then this one next to each other. Maksudnya concept together lah. Ini perlu sekali. When you want to arrange something next to each other, yang mana sekali tu kena ikat dulu, betul? Then we calculate with other, with L, G, R, T, H, and S. So berapa arrangement di sini? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 factorial. Multiply. Dalam kurungan sini ada 3 factorial. Boleh. Right, factorial times 3 factorial. Group together. So dia punya step ialah you ikat dulu, yang mana you group together, yang mana nak, then you kira dengan lain. Second step, you kira dengan that group with others. Then finally you calculate inside the group here how many arrangement you can do. Dah? Bisa? 4 digit without repetition. So your task here, 4 digits without repeat. So how many number that can be formed? This is supposed to be odd number. So bila you nak odd number saja, maksudnya the last digit here mesti dah bersifat odd. So how many choices here? Ganjil. 1, 3, 5. So the number of ways for the last place here we have, sini ada 3. 3 choices. So we solve, kita selesaikan dulu yang mana ada syarat dulu. Then we go back to the first place, how many choices we have. Can I put 0 here? Can I put 0 in the first place? When I put 0 is no longer 4 digit, right? So how many choices here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then don't forget you already solved one place at the last there, so you have 5 choices only. Kamu ada 7 nombor di sini, kosong tak boleh ambil, tinggal 6. So 6 nombor tersebut dah salah satu, dipilih sebagai odd number, betul. Dah. Then how many choices in the middle here? So 5, no repeated. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 choice. Settle 2 tempat. Pilihan tinggal 5 saja. Then tinggal 4. So berapanya? 300. Betul ke? Okay. Dah ke? 7 chairs arranged in the, so ada 7 tempat. How many way 3 girls sit on this cell? Oh, nak duduk 3 orang saja. So you going to 7 chair, you choose and arrange for 3 girls. P, permutation means choose and arrange. P adalah pilih dan susun. Boleh. So 7 7P3 berapa? 210. Boleh. So dia bukan 7C3. 7C3 dia tak ada susunan, dia pilih kerusi saja. Dia belum susun lagi. So antara 3 perempuan tu dia boleh disusun kiri kanan, dia tukar-tukar tempat. So you have procedure of choose and arrange. So that's why you use P. Boleh. Dah? So this one, examination, your candidate answer 7 out of 10 questions. Find the number of ways the candidate can be answered if the first 3, okay, you have 10 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the first 3 questions must be answered. So this one, ada pilihan lagi ke? Tak, this one fixed. Must be answered these 3, correct? So how many more questions that you need to answer? 4 more. So 4 more from this question, betul? So how many ways? How many choices here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 questions. You choose. Do you need to arrange? You choose for 4 questions. You tak payah arrange. Maksudnya you tak payah arrange. Apa maksud tak payah arrange? Maksudnya kalau you jawab 4, 5, 6, 7. You tak payah pergi susun 7, 5, 6, 4. Janji berjawab. Janji dipilih. If you choose P, maksudnya you punya urutan akan dijadi satu concern. When you have arrangements means urutan itu will be a concern. Now we're not going to concern about you punya urutan, betul? You jawab 6, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7 sama juga jawab 5, 4, 6, 7. So dia tak payah disusun di sini. So pilih saja 7. Choose only. So 7 C4 35. Okay? Dah. Okay, so what else? So 14 professionals. Here we have 8 total, 6 applicants. Select to be a form of committee, also committee, but select this 4. So you have position. when you have position means you need to arrange already. Kalau kamu dalam satu JK, tak payahlah nak susun. Tapi dalam JK yang jawatan kuasa tu, kamu kena tahu siapa president, siapa vice, siapa secretary, siapa treasurer, so you have position to arrange. So you need choose and arrange. Faham dah? So you need choose and arrange. So 14, choose and arrange, permutation for 4. Boleh? Position tu penting. Bila dia ada position, maksudnya you kena arrange for that position. Bila dia tak ada position sini, kita boleh buat 14C4. Sama-sama JK saja. Siapa besar, siapa kecil, apa position. Sama-sama je. Tapi sini ada position, maksudnya kita punya urutan lain. Kamu jadi presiden ke, saya jadi presiden, itu lain. So it will be take concern about the arrangement already. Okay, done. Here, answer 10 out of 12 questions. How many ways if she must answer the first 4? So 12 questions. Soalan yang sama macam tadi. You have 12 questions. Must answer the first 4. Ini dah wajib. Tak ada pilihan. Betul? So you how much lagi kena jawab daripada sini? Pilih lagi 6. So berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, choose 6. Alright. Dah. Okay, come to probability pula. Probability a male is 0.35, that a student riding a bike is 0.2. So if these two events is independent, find the student selected is a female or ride the bike. So you can do your 3 diagram. The first situation, peringkat pertama, we analyze it may be a male or not, it will be a female. Then we can analyze whether it ride a bike or not. So the end result here, it will be male and bike, male and not bike. Here, female and bike, female and not bike. So what's your 0.35? Automatic sini 0.65. If this one ride a bike, 0.28, so 0.72. So questions is female or bike. Probability female or union bike. So here is female and bike line. Yeah. So sama ada female or bike. So mananya sama female or bike? Either one bike can, female also can. So we have 3 cases here. We have 3 cases here. In order to find out these 3 cases, why not we just 1 minus the case of male and not bike? Lagi senang. So 1 minus 0.35, 0.72. Okay, so female or bike, maksudnya dia boleh keadaan female, dia boleh keadaan bike. So keadaan female inilah, keadaan bike inilah. Oh, so dua-dua situasi pun boleh, female pun boleh, jadi female ataupun bike. So what we take here adalah N, female and bike. 3 diagram adalah N, F and B, F and not B. Okay, dah. Okay, so probability A, probability B given A union B, find out. Okay, what is this? You can identify using your Venn diagram what is your A intersect not B. We find out where is our not B. If this one is A, this is B, we have to find out what's the region first. Kat mana kawasan yang dia nak cari tu. Not B. Tak sentuh sini, betul? Tak sentuh B lah. Tak sentuh B. So intersect dengan A, bertindih dengan A, kat mana tindihan ini? Sini kan, betul? Nak tindih dengan A, betul? So A intersect not B, they are equivalent with probability A, the whole cycle of A minus the intersection. So A you have or not? Yes. Then we have to figure out what is our A intersect B. So by using the value dia, ni kita bagi dah. Probability A union B adalah probability A tambah probability B minus A intersect B. So semua nilai ni dah diberi. Cari keluar A intersect B. So apakah intersect B sini? Over 5, then we can substitute here already. 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5, 1. Betul? Tak. What's the intersect? Sini betul ke? Betul. Minus. Minus. Oh ya, 1 over 5. Formula saja. Dah. Continue. Contingency table. So what else? We want a student is choose 3 books. So dia bukan pilih satu. So your number of sample space secara overall nak pilih 3. It will be 50 choose for 3. Betul. Secara overall dulu. So kita punya NS bukan 50. Kalau kamu pilih satu buku tak apalah. You pilih satu buku secara overall tu antara semua ni 50 pun tak. But this one you want to choose 3. So without any restriction, without any condition, maksudnya sample space kita 50 choose 3. So your total will be how many way? So this question involves permutation and probability already. So you have 19600. What's your number of event? Find the probability if 1. So your number of event is salah satu tu adalah medical book. Medical book. So salah satu medical book maksudnya antara 20 sini pilih satu. Among the 20 you choose 1 medical book sini. So tugasan dia masih lagi sama. Yang lain dua-dua tu. Yang lain tak ada syarat apa-apa, betul? Betul. You kena pilih 3, salah satu mesti medical book, maksudnya yang lain lagi 2 buku tu randomly. So randomly from 30 choose 2. To fulfill your task, you must pick 3 books. Chinese or local medical. So 5. Okay. Okay, so amount sini salah lah. Dah terlepas local. So antara local sini 5C1. Okay, so the rest tak kisah dah. So the rest tinggal 45. Boleh. So probability to get this event 4950 divided by total. Betul ke? Oh, decimal. Betul ke? 2526, ya. Dah. Dah ke? Okay, lagi. Given 200 female, 300 male, join max club. So 3 persons selected randomly. So overall first, number of sample space. 3 persons selected randomly. Betul. Secara keseluruhan dia ada 500 pelajar. Pilih secara random dulu, baru kita tengok event ini pula. So 500, choose 3. Betul? Okay, what's your event? What's the event? Number of event? Probability kita buat nanti, event itu. 2 males, 1 female. So 2 male, 2 male. So 300 choose 2. 1 female, 200 choose 1. So find your probability. Four, 3, 3, 2. Ada. Tak ada. Ada silap ke? Saya ada silap nilai ke? Sini betul? Betul. Sini? Betul. So kamu pun dapat macam ni juga, betul? Okey, tak apa, biarkan je. A pair of fair dice is low. Find the probability. Sum of the number on the dice is at most 5. A pair of fair dice. So you ada? Dia ada 2 biji satu, betul tak? Betul tak? So what's your sample space? Ada berapa? Ada 36 lah. Ingat tak masa kita buat nota tu? Kita buat nota hari tu, betul tak? Pernah buat? So, saya tak yalah, saya tak perlu lah tulis balik outcome dia. Kita pernah buat 2 fair dice, total outcome is 36. This one, we done it in this, is it 2 fair dice, so you have 36 outcome, right? Then what do you want? You want sum of these dice is at most 5, paling banyak 5. So paling banyak 5 ada berapa? Number of event paling banyak 5. So kita kira campur-campur ni paling banyak 5. So hasil tambah 2 ni boleh? Boleh? What's mean by at most? So total 2 tu less than equal 5. So 1 plus 1, 2 can tak? Can tak? Can tak? Can tak? No. No. So dah 2 tak boleh. Lepas tu? No. No. Betul. So tadi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. No more. Other than that, it's bigger than 5 already. So we have 10. Therefore, probability 10 out of 36 simplify. Dah ke? Dah. This one, how many ways to arrange Yahoo if we have identical object macam mana? When you have identical object macam mana? Bila kita buat chapter 7, divide with the identical words. Okay, konsep ni. So berapa ni? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 factorial, divide with identical, 2O. How much? 60. Dah. Simple, so this one. You have 9 white, 3 black, select 4 randomly. So how many way at least 1 black are chosen? This question cannot be worked. Soalan ni tak betul. Soalan ni tak betul. Setting ni tak betul. Dia tak ditanya macam tu. Because 9 white balls, they are identical. How you choose? They are same white. How you choose? They are same black. So our syllabus, they won't touch this region. Tak apalah, ni tak masuk final kan. Kalau final kamu tengok final permutation and combination, dia pun takkan tanya macam ni. Dia akan tanya different identical things. 9 different white balls. Then okay. Mungkin white tu berbeza sikit. So dia tak boleh tulis macam ni. Okay, just tak boleh soalan ni. So sample space, probability A, probability B, A intersect B. So again, testing you on the same thing just now. A intersect B is, A intersect not B is probability A minus probability A intersect B. So 1 over 3, 5 over 12, A intersect B. So you akan, saya rasa dia punya soalan asyik keep on the same concept, asking the same concept. Dah. So we just find out what's this. 5 over 12 minus 1 over 3. So 1 over 12 dah, boleh. Independent. So apa dia? They are independent. When you have it independent, A intersect B, they are equal to A multiply with B. So this one means PD multiply PE multiply PF 1 over 30. And then the D intersect with E is this one, 1 over 6. So lastly, what's your PF? Multiply 6. 1 over 5. Betul ke? PE. Oh, so saya kena betulkan. Ini tak ada guna lah benda ni. Tak ada guna. From PD intersect E, we get 1 over 6. So PB is 1 over 2. PE. So PE 1 over 3. So tak ada guna informasi ni. Dah ke? Dah ke? A fair coin toss 3 times, so you want to find the probability at least one tail appear. Okay, 3 times, so 3 diagrams. First time, 8 or tail. Second time, 8 or tail. Third time, 8 or tail, 8 or tail, 8 or tail, 8 or tail. So this one, saya rasa kita pernah buat ini, pernah lukis 3 diagram ini. Tak apalah. HHT, so HTH, this one HTT. You boleh lukis siap-siap, mana tahu lagi dia tanya lagi, toss the coin 3 times, so your 3 diagram already done. Faham tak? Toss your dice 2 times, you punya 3 diagram dah siap-siap dah. Sample space tu dah siap-siap dah. So inilah kita panggilkan preparation for your UPS. Bukannya suruh kamu pergi buat apa. Inilah open book test punya kemahiran. Bukannya suruh kamu minta jawapan. At least 3 diagram siap, kamu tahu nanti soalan yang sama, you punya masa takkan nak balik lagi nak melukis. Okay, you want at least one tail. At least one tail. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Oh, except this one only lah. At least one tail maksudnya you boleh 1 tail, 2 tails, 3 tails, correct? So all involved 1 minus 666. So 1 minus 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2. This is 1 over 8. So it will become 7 over 8. Dah. Okay, finish.